So yeah, we're just shooting a wedding here with Will. Was not vlogging, but I have some drone shots, and I didn't use my camera for shooting. So yeah, now recording. Anyway, I'm gonna go back and check them out and see how they go. Bago namin human og shoot with Will, wag nag-assist kong video kanina kang Will. We started around 9 a.m. I had to get up around 9 a.m. and human me alas 3, so I ended up early because the thing is, wala na may buhatan. So it was a tea ceremony, something like a wedding, but it's a tea ceremony. And when I got home, I got this. So we're gonna open it. Let's check this out. Yeah. So nakuha na ko by kanisha Meridian, whatever this is. It's a 3M tape for the lens. So Tamron 35-150. We're just gonna wrap the lens now. Let's see how this goes. Has a tweezer also, so muna siya. Wipes and everything. So nahuman yun ako by dukka kay ko hang kay mata niya katugon ko ba. Kay ko itog. Nahuman yun na ako siya at last. Dali na siya papitlon. Usually naanay ka ng palit online Alpha Guard or Lens Guard. But this one cheap na siya kasi China kanang AliExpress, Alibaba Express ba. So yeah, works. Kaya na siya. Lagdaog na tayo hindi natin kini magasgas gamay. But yeah, lain siyang hait ang site, but you can remove it anytime. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. You take care. Bye-bye. Bitaw ka na nga ko mag-vlog karon pero gidukka lang yung kay ko. So, sensya na kayo. Tog lang sa ako. Tog.